we are trying to recreate the default UI, which contains a few material design components like the toolbar and floating action button. Flutter provides a widget called MaterialApp that represents an application that uses Google's material design. Let's wrap our Flutter logo in a MaterialApp widget. The MaterialApp widget is a convenience widget built upon the Widgets app widget that provides a number of commonly used widgets for material design applications. Note that just wrapping Flutter logo inside Material App doesn't really make a difference visually, except that it adds the debug banner at the right top of the app. But the Material App can be really useful. For instance, the home argument of this widget here identifies the default route or the navigation path for the app, which in our case is the Flutter logo. Other than that, the Material App widget can also set the default and dark theme for the app and configure localization support, among other things. If we scroll down in this file, we can see that the Material App widget is indeed based on the Widgets app widget, whose home argument tells us that this is the initial route of the app. Notice that the error highlighting in the IDE doesn't show any errors if we remove the home argument. This means that the home argument isn't mandatory. In fact, all the arguments of the Material app are optional, and this is denoted by the curly braces in the constructor. In Dart, all parameters that lie within these curly braces are optional named parameters. Interestingly, if we jump into the declaration of Flutter logo, we can see that it has a few optional arguments too. The Flutter logo has a default style. Let's change the style of a Flutter logo to be horizontal instead. We'll cover more about optional arguments in future lessons.